Alright, got the airbox top removed. There are a total of, I think 11 screws. There is one in the center. It does go through here, to the top of the airbox lid. It looks like that inside. And here's the stock airbox air filter. Looks like this. This is up. It's marked on there, up. So you don't put it in like this, which should be a boo-boo. And looks pretty bad. But time to replace that, definitely. So here's the K&N filter, and so the same type of base on it, like this. So this has got to be up, and the clue there is they've got K&N marked on up surface, top surface. So that just drops in. Let's do it. That. There. So yeah, no bullshit. It is just a direct replacement. There's nothing else to do with this one. Good success with the K&N on my Honda Firestorm. So pretty simple. Just be careful not to drop these screws down into here. That's a major fuck up, and you gotta find it, and it's not fun. I didn't do it, but I've been there, done that before, so I'm careful not to drop things down in there, or in there. That's even worse. Don't put things down there, Jesus. Okay, so just button it up and it's good to go. Thanks for watching.